Tell us what you're doing.
What are you doing, honey?
Well,
Well, thank you. Are you making truffles?
Mm-hmm.
You're awful good at it.
I'm helping you.
You are helping. Oh, I know what you're doing. Camera.
Yeah, I'm making truffles.
What's
I
in
can
the
see.
truffle? You know what that is that we're using? What is that? Well, that's cocoa powder. What's that? Chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
And cream and butter?
Some butter.
Mm-hmm. All right, good job, honey. And once we get them cocoa, we can put them in here.
I want this.
Okay.
I want to scoop some chocolate.
It's pretty hard. You want to try it? The chocolate's hard. So we put it in the fridge. Good job.
Now another one.
Okay.
I want that bowl scooted to me.
You need it closer? It's awful hard, isn't it, honey? I think it's easier for Mama to scoop the chocolate and you to roll it.
Well, I want something. I want it.
Are you tasting it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I can't use that scooper again, so that's your scooper now, okay?
Okay.
Are we gonna roll those? Can you roll those for me?